Hello, hello, hello. We are back again with another deals upon deals. Welcome to my channel where quality is attainable. Designers is attainable. Look what I'm saying here. Isn't that interesting? Interesting designers. Alright, and this was 59.50. Today you get for 19.99 available in the store in different sizes. Okay? And here we have these pants. This is really stretchy. The quality is very good. This was $89 and today you get it for $24.99. It's available in other sizes. Okay, here we have this set, sweater and clip sets. Look what we got here, and this one is $16.99. The music here is loud. I'm gonna leave here. Here we are looking at this sweater. Very clean. This is $16.99. Let me see what I can grab here. I'm running away from loud music. And here we are looking at this sweater for $7.99. Interesting. And this one is in size small by this brand. The quality is good, trust me. And here we are looking at this sweater. Alright, with v-neck for $16.99. Here we have this one. Okay, and this one is by this brand for $24.99. Here we have these sets. Let's see what they have here. This is interesting sweater and clip set, new in the store by this brand here and now. New York, Los Angeles, and this is in size medium. Store price is $16.99. It's new in the store. And I am looking at this one by Guess. Alright, this is $24.99 in size medium. Also, this clean sweater. Look, I love the style. Nicely beaded. And this one is $14.99. Let's check out the sweater. Okay, this is new in the store, fresh in the store. Isn't this giving? This is giving everything it should give. Let me show you for $12.99. Such an interesting piece, such an interesting deal. Look, 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 look. This is giving. This is giving. I love this. Look. Oh, for $12.99. It is new in the store. The quality is good. It's really stretchy as well. Yeah. Let me move here. Let's see what they have here. If you're interested, keep watching. I'm going to show you some of the gift deals in the store. This is the season. Yeah. For $9. And here we have this turtleneck in color black. Yeah. Tommy Hilfiger. It feels good. The quality is great. And this one is $19.99. And here you go. Look at the miss at the front. Interesting by this brand. And the store price for these. Store price for these is $12.99. And here you go. This is another jam. This is another jam. It feels so good. The quality is high. Interesting open tone one. And interesting hoodie. Open hoodie. Look at this. This was $198. Today you get for $49.99. And here is that turtleneck we saw. This is in a different color. And this is same price. Okay. Let me take you. To gift section. I am at the jewelry section. Here you get interesting deals, wild deals, trends you will love. Trust me. Look what we got here. Isn't this given? This is giving luxury. Okay, here you have the bracelets, you have the watch, and these was $95 by Jones, New York. Oh my God. Oh my God. For $22.99 is where you get it. I love the shade of gold. Interesting. Oh my God, this is cool. This is cool. I love. Oh my God. So cool. I love it. Yeah, it's tempting. All right, and here we have another one by the same brand. Isn't this given? This is $22.99. Let me tell you, this is the time to grab watches like this. Trust me, I come to the store. Yeah, yeah. This is when you see so much to choose from. Here you have this simple one by Nywex for $19.99. Okay, interesting. They have lots of simple leather watches here. This is by Anna Klein. Trust me, Anna Klein watches are very good. All right, I have some Anna Klein watches. They have really served me. They have really served me. I love Anna Klein watches. Look, this is really feminine. And also more ones up here. This is by Nywex, same price. All right, more ones up here. This is, yeah, oh my God. Look, I love the watch, but I don't really like the bracelet and the earrings. Yeah. Okay, here we have this one. This one is $22.99. Yeah, interesting. And let's keep going. This is, if you like watches, this bold. This one is by Juicy Couture. The bold, yeah, the pink background. Okay, look at this one. This is 22.99. Look. Yeah, you love bling bling. This is bling bling by Jessica Simpson for $24.99. Interesting. I am just so tempted, you know. I wanted to get this one, but I feel a lot is somehow happening here. All right, especially here. But I love this. If this knot is not here, this would have been me completely. All right, but let's keep going and see if we'll see something better. More ones, okay. More watches. Oh, okay, I see something different. Silver and gold. By the same brand, same price. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here you see lots of bracelets, necklaces. Alright, this is by Nywex. Alright. And this will serve as a very good gift. Okay. And here, let me show you what I'm looking at here. We have this one by Jessica Simpson for $7.99. And the necklaces, Jessica Simpson. This one is $7.99. All right. And up there you have beads. You know, if you are a fan, you love to stack. Look at this. This is very good for $9.99. And look at this one by Tahari. I told you you will see good brands. Look at this. Right, earring, necklace. Look at this by Tahari. This is $9.99. Interesting. Let me show you another one. Look, this is so classic. Very simple 14 karat gold flash plated for $7.99 by this brand. Interesting. And let me show you another interesting one. Necklace and earring. Look at this by Anna Klein. For this you get for $9.99. Okay, and look at these earrings. Look. Right, different types of earrings. Good. Yeah, look at that. Buy this brand for $6.99. I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Share if you made it to this point. And until next time, bye for now.